Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. For those of you that don't know, I'm posting videos to Patreon. Currently I'm posting pattern making for lost wax casting. I posted episode 1, hot working. I'm about to record and post episode 2, hot working 2. Please go check out my Patreon, patronize me, support my channel here on YouTube. That's what I'm doing the Patreon for, is to support my YouTube channel. If you don't especially care about me decking my shearline milling machine's table with 1/4 inch thick 01 die plate, 1032 holes every inch except for the middle third where it's every 1/2 inch, or my cylindrical grinding on shearline lathe, or any of my hard machine of small parts videos. And think about the fact, if no one supports my Patreon page doing the lost wax pattern making, I won't be able to get to casting, refining gold, alloying gold from raw metals. So if you want to see some of that, you gotta, start at the bottom, work your way up. Poppy's Workshop, away from YouTube. It's at Patreon. Check it out.